Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my fourth lecture of purine synthesis. In this lecture, हम कवर करेंगे प्यूरिन की रेगुलेशन एंड समवट एंटीफोलेट ड्रग या वो ड्रग्स जो कि फॉलिक एसिड सिंथेसिस को इनहिबिट करती हैं और प्यूरिन सिंथेसिस को भी इनहिबिट कर रही हैं और सेल्विज पाथवे. In the previous lecture, we have learned about inosine monophosphate has two pathway. One is governed by adenosyl succinate synthetase, and this reaction is activated by GTP and magnesium and converted to adenosyl succinate, and then aspartate donated its amino group and release fumarate by an enzyme adenosyl succinase and convert it adenosine monophosphate AMP, and then by a phosphorylase or kinase is converting into AMP, ADP and ATP. The synthesis of AMP is activated by GTP and inosine monophosphate by another pathway which is governed by IMP dehydrogenase and convert it into xanthosine monophosphate, and this xanthosine monophosphate by transamidinase is converted into guanosine monophosphate, and this synthesis is activated by GMP synthesis by ATP. Now the regulation of this bifurcation pathway from inosine monophosphate to ATP and GTP. So there are two different types of the reaction in which IMP dehydrogenase convert IMP to xanthine monophosphate, and this xanthine monophosphate then amidotransferase convert GMP, and this reaction is activated by ATP. This reaction is activated by ATP, but the another pathway in which IMP is converted into AMP and the enzyme is adenosyl succinate synthase, then GTP activate this reaction, has positive effect on this reaction, but the AMP and GMP by feedback inhibition inhibit the reaction. Adenosyl AMP monophosphate inhibit adenosyl succinate synthase, inhibit AMP, inhibit adenosyl succinate synthase, and GMP inhibit IMP dehydrogenase. They inhibit its own production, but counterpart GTP activate the synthesis of AMP and ATP activate the synthesis of GMP. Now here xanthine monophosphate GMP inhibit the formation by feedback inhibition to xanthine IMP dehydrogenase, and xanthine monophosphate also inhibit phosphoribosyl amine synthetase amidotransferase 5-phosphoribosyl beta D5-phosphoribosyl amine synthesis, and GTP and GMP both inhibit phosphoribosyl amine synthesis as well as phosphoribose to phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate synthesis, and again AMP inhibit adenosyl succinate synthase, but ADP and AMP both inhibit ADP inhibit ribose synthesis of phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate synthesis, and AMP inhibit phosphoribosyl amine synthesis. This is the whole regulation, that ADP and GDP both inhibit the synthesis of phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. ADP and GDP inhibit the synthesis of ribose 5-phosphate to phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. But ADP and GDP and GMP and AMP inhibit the synthesis of 5-phosphoribosyl aminotransferase where glutamine contribute its amino group. But here AMP inhibit adenosyl succinate synthase and GMP inhibit IMP dehydrogenase and GTP activate the synthesis of adenosyl succinate and ATP activate the synthesis of amidotransamidinase to convert xanthine monophosphate to GMP. The carbon added in reaction number 4 and 10 are contributed by derivative of tetrahydrofolate. Purine deficiency state, while rare in human, generally reflect a deficiency of folic acid compound that inhibit formation of tetrahydrofolates and therefore block purine synthesis have been used in cancer chemotherapy. Inhibitory compounds and the reaction that inhibit include azathioprine, 6-mercaptopurine, diazonorleucine, and mycophenolic acid. The structural analog of folic acid, methotrexate, are widely used to control cancer. They inhibit the synthesis of purine nucleotide and thus nucleic acid. These inhibitors also affect the proliferation of normally growing cell. This causes many side effects including anemia, baldness, scaly skin, etc. Inhibitor of purine synthesis, sulfonamide, are the structural analog of para-aminobenzoic acid. These sulfur drugs can be used to inhibit the synthesis of folic acid by microorganisms. This indirectly reduces the synthesis of purines and therefore the nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. Sulfonamide have no influence on human since folic acid is not synthesized and supplied through diet. Here there are two reactions in which formyl transferase tetrahydrofolate by folate reductase to dihydrofolate reductase convert it into tetrahydrofolate reductase and this synthesis is inhibited by formyl transferase here where glycinamide ribosyl 5-phosphate is converted to formyl glycinamide ribosyl 5-phosphate and in other reaction N10 formyl tetrahydrofolate donates a 1 carbon moiety or 1 carbon unit to produce form imidazole 4 carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. With this reaction, all the carbon and nitrogen atom of purine ring are contributed by the respective source. Some salvage pathway before salvage pathway for the purine synthesis. This is the de novo synthesis and its regulation. And now we are coming to the salvage pathway. Salvage pathway is first called the repaired pathway. The free purines, adenine, guanine, hypoxanthine are formed in the normal turnover of the nucleic acid and also obtained from the dietary source. The purine can also be converted to corresponding nucleotide and this process is known as salvage pathway. जो आरएनए और डीएनए टूटेगा उसमें से जो एडेनिन गुआनिन हाइपोजेंथिन निकलेगी वो नाइट्रोजनस बेस दोबारा डीएनए और आरएनए को सिंथेसाइज करने के लिए काम आएगी और उसके अंदर राइबोज और फॉस्फेट ऐड होंगे. दिस प्रिपेयर पाथवे इज कॉल्ड द सेल्वेज पाथवे. दिस पाथवे इज लाइक दैट यू हैव दी साइकिल के पहिए हैं तो आप साइकिल डलवा सकते हैं उसके अंदर. दिस इज द सेम पाथवे, सेल्वेज पाथवे. Adenine phosphoribosyl transferase catalyze the formation of AMP from adenine. There are two main enzymes, adenine phosphoribosyl transferase and hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase, which is also called HGPRT. There are two enzymes, adenine phosphoribosyl transferase catalyze the formation of AMP from adenine, and hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase convert guanine hypoxanthine respectively to GMP and IMP. Phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate is the donor of ribose 5-phosphate in the salvage pathway. The salvage pathway is particularly important in certain tissue such as erythrocyte and brain, where de novo synthesis of purine nucleotide is not operative. Thank you very much. And the next lecture we will be discussed about the salvage pathway in detail and other metabolic defect caused by the salvage pathway.